It's very bold for Unhloso to assume that Umtunzi is only with Umadlomo just because he wanted to humiliate him. Umtunzi didn't hold back and told him that Umadlomo is no longer your wife and you're the one that made her a laughing stock. So just because you left her doesn't mean she does not deserve to be loved. Obgas also reminded Nhloso that you're the one who left, so you have no right to dictate who Umadlomo dates. And Umadlomo also told Umhloso where to get off. And Umtunzi told Ntuthu ukuthi he would die for Umadlomo. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. So Nhloso went to hospital to see Umtunzi to confront him ukuthi why did he sleep with his wife. Utlibele ukuthi it's ex-wife. Umtunzi was like, nope, you are no longer, Umadlomo is no longer your wife. You left her, remember, uhambile. You are the one who made her laughing stock because Nhloso is assuming that Umtunzi is with Umadlomo just because he wanted to make him a laughing stock. Ati qha baba kancane, you are the one who had left Umadlomo. You are the one that made her laughing stock. So no one's cheating on you here. We are no longer married to Umadlomo. And just because wena umthanda uMadlomo does that mean ukuthi amelanga thanda omunye umuntu na? Yo, Umthunzi did not hold back. He went on and on saying ukuthi telling Nhloso indaba zakhe exactly what he needed to hear. But Nhloso just became defensive at you, you're lucky that you're in hospital or else I would have killed you. And you're just a scumbag. I cursed the day I met you. Whereas Umthunzi was like, threatening me because Nhloso is now saying, if you're not here, I was going to kill you. At yazin, there are better men than you who tried to threaten me and they failed. So, like, watch your back, look back and what. I ngibona kahle ukuthi Umthunzi, the old Umthunzi is coming back because now, why is Nhloso threatening Umthunzi, a whole Umthunzi? And then when he walks out of the hospital, because they're there to see Tidi Nokidiboni, he's like, what are you doing here? Because I thought Madlomo has been discharged. At you, I was here to see Mtunzi. Can you believe that Mtunzi is dating Umadlomo? And even worse, they're now expecting a child together. How? Because I was like, why was Mtunzi there? Hey. So Nhloso went on about now they're singing each other and that Umadlomo is they're expecting a child together. I cannot stand this. We need to do something. Athi baba mncane, hey, Umadlomo is not your wife anymore. You need to focus on your children and your new wife. So ukuthi uMadlomo uthandana nobani, whether it's Mthunzi, there's nothing that you can do about it. Because Nhloso was like, no, I'm not gonna let chaos in my house. Yeah. Uba mncane wathi, yay mana kancane, you're the one that worked out on her. I didn't want to divorce her. She's the one who asked for a divorce. Do you remember why she asked for divorce? She asked for divorce because when you brought another woman into your marriage, and so that's why she left. You lost the right to controlling what Madlomo does the day that you left her for Udin. Yo, as I was proud of Mngani, wamtshela Nhloso indaba zakhe. Ntuthuko goes to see Mthunzi in hospital and finds out that Mthunzi does not have his phone because he was robbed. And then he tells Ntuthuko ukuthi if he had reached Uziro, he would have finished him off. Ntuthuko was like, do you mean ukuthi you plan to kill him? Yeah, I'm so sorry, Gutinji, I'm revealing this side of me. But Ntuthuko was like, no, you took a bullet from my mother, so I can never hurt you. Ntuthuko seems to be like getting fonder and fonder of Mthunzi. Hey, Mthunzi was even saying ukuthi he will die for Upilisiwe. He'd do anything for her. He has already scored points on Tutugo. Now, Umdala is now digging into this Zero Mthunzi thing, telling Tabs that they lied. Zero there was no robbery. Umthunzi is the one that killed Zero. So he's going to find out the truth. And then he talks to Gasa, also asking him, was I hear Mthunzi was at your house and there was a man that was killed. That man was Zero. Do you know that? And I think Umthunzi is the one that killed him because this is the man from his past. Now Nhloso is finding information that he did not know about because he thought that was an intruder, a random somebody. Nhloso didn't waste time, went to Madlomo to confront her. So you lied for Umthunzi. Who are you becoming, Madlomo? Madlomo was honest about it, said, yeah, I did lie about that because if I told them the truth, and they were not going to believe it was self-defense. So Nhloso was like, I don't know who you are anymore. This is not the police who I know. You are not this is not the mother of my kids. Hey, yes, Nhloso upilisiwe when if you want to see me behind bars, again, humble but now Mthunzi is like, you know what, I'm not going to do that, but I don't want Mthunzi here. I don't want Mthunzi around my children. You lost that right when you left here. You lost that right a long time ago to dictate what I do. ngicela ungihambele tu. You have no right to decide what I do with my own life. Awuhambe please close. Uyazi uDinhle will be so disappointed to see his man, his whole husband is fighting for his ex-wife. And now uThidi is in hospital because of the allergic reaction that she got from the cake that had nuts that Kiriboni gave her. uThidi looks at herself and just like, you know what, Kiriboni did this intentionally because he didn't want me to attend the photo shoot because they were scheduled for a photo shoot. So David talks to Gaza saying, yes, this whole thing is escalated way too much. We need to cancel this double wedding thingy because bona manje uThidi almost died. And then Gaza confronts Kiriboni about it, saying, why is it that uThidi had nuts in the cake and you know exactly that she's allergic to that, so you did this intentionally. Ugas was disappointed as what you almost killed her. Do you know that? As Kiribon thinks she did not think it was going to be so bad. She just thought she was just going to get rash and stop her from going to a photo shoot. Ugas was like, you know what? I'm canceling this whole white wedding thing. I'm just going to finish off Amalobolo and we leave it at that. And then Bridget Victor suggests that how does she feel about relocating, starting afresh on a clean state somewhere else. Bridget seems fond of the idea and taking their kids and starting over somewhere, and Bridget seems fond of the idea. Kanti Victor is actually planning to resign. Thapelo phones his mother, goes, hey, Victor has just ended in his resignation and doesn't say why he's leaving. Utalita was furious because now her mission is now impossible. Victor can't send her money anymore if it is I need. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.